In the financial, and I love this, not financial services business, but the financial decisions business, we have to have people make decisions. When decisions are complex or there is a high cost of being wrong, people want human insight for confidence. They want to go and talk to somebody. So let's break down what human beings do and then also what robots can do. We have relationships, empathy, coaching, guidance, advocacy, meaning, experience, purpose, and strategy. The machine can make things more efficient. The machine can enhance the client relationship, but it can't replace the client relationship. It has no empathy. It can't do it. What I'm emphasizing here is it's back to the future. Our business is really going to be built in the future by our ability to create trust and relationships and get away from the charts, graphs, and all the left brain analytics. It's creating trust and relationships is the thing that we need to do.